You're welcome to my channel. This is your one and only Vsmdesigns. Today, we are going to learn how to make this pocket, which was sent to me by one of my followers. Use flash clothing. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now, let's go straight to today's tutorial. I've already cut my gum into the shape that I want the pocket, just like the sample. I'm using the gum to mark the shape on the cloth where I'm going to fix the pocket. This is the good side of the fabric, so you must use white colored tailor's chalk to mark. We are going to cut the area open, leaving about half an inch allowance all round for folding. I'm going to reinforce the area I'm going to fold with tissue paper gum. We notch all the curvy areas. Make sure your notching doesn't touch the chalk you marked. I'm taking it to the iron to fold. And I've just done that. I added hemming gum. Let's gum this on a material. This is what I'm going to use to turn it. And I've already fixed the single welt pocket. If you've not watched my video on how to make a single welt pocket, I have dropped the link at the end of this video. So you will need to watch to the end for you to see the link. Let's trim this a little bit. So I'm going to place them face together, then run thread. Notch the curvy areas. You now smoothen it. After fixing it, this is how it's going to look. Now let's work on the main fabric. I've already made a triplet design. I'm trying to make sure it's within the confines of the size of the pocket. I'm using dot stitches. I'm not just running thread across. I'm using dot stitches to stitch them for neatness. So I'm going to do a reverse pleat. If you're getting value for your time here, I want you to tap on the like button so that YouTube algorithm can show it to more people who might be interested in this video. I also want you to drop a comment and tell me what you think about this video. In case you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly tap on the subscribe button which is right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. I'm using this piece of fabric to make a draft-like pattern design with external stitches. I've previously made a video on how to make this. The link will be dropped at the end of this video as well. I'm going to smoothen them. I've also made a strap that I'm going to use to join them together. I'm going to cover the upper part of it this way. Let me extend it a little bit. I'll top stitch. Arrange it this way. Then fix the pocket like this. If you notice, I'm extending the pocket beyond where the gum ended. This is where the gum ended. So I'm giving like half an inch allowance in extension, and I will tell you why. We are going to run thread all round. Now the half an inch allowance I gave, I'm going to run thread top stitch here with 0.25, that is 1/4 of an inch. Remember, I'm not running it on top of the gum, so that when you turn it, it will be this way. I'm going to make a peep as button holder. you can see our pocket is ready. Thank you for watching this video. You can now click on the banners showing on your screen right now to watch my previous videos which I made mention of in the course of the video. Thank you.